How does Zümi recognize these hand-drawn pictures of landmarks? First, draw the landmark. Now you show the drawing to Zümi, and she will start to take pictures. Upload the pictures to the cloud. Use Colab to start writing your program. After that, you can flip the picture, move pixels, and zoom in and out to allow you to produce multiple cases for the data. The model for classification is generated by training with the data. Now Zümi can do simple image classification. When you show Zümi a picture, she will know where to go.